Hello, this is a tutorial to help you with annotating online text in Benchmark Advance. We are now starting our Unit 9 reader, buyers and sellers. When you open up the assigned reader to you, you'll be prompted to create a customization. This is where you want to be pretty specific as to what you're doing. I'm going to type in Unit 9, Week 1 annotations. I can then open up the original file and do the same thing for week 2 and week 3 as well. Then you will click yes to create this file for you. When you want to turn a page, you go to the lower right-hand or left-hand corner, click, and it'll turn the page for you. If you want to go back, you'll notice that the left-hand corner raises, and that's where you click that as well to close it back. Okay. Our table of contents, then followed by our essential question. I wanted to show you how to annotate text though, and a couple other key features. So with the online reader, it can read aloud to you by pressing the play button.
Shared reads 1 and 2. Remember to add.
As you notice, as the reader read aloud to you, the words highlighted so that you can follow along. You can also increase the reader's speed or decrease the reader's speed if they're going too fast for you to follow along. In order to annotate text, you want to go to the margin, click on the page symbol, and it says Close Reading Notes. In the margins, that's where you want to type your annotations. On the right-hand side of your screen, you can increase the size of your text or decrease the size of your text. In order to access the other tools that you have available to you, you need to close the margin by pressing on the page icon one more time. Then you can go back to the tools icon. One such example of a fabulous tool that you can use is highlighting. I'm going to stick with the default color as well as style. But here is a pen where I can go through and I can highlight words that I'm unsure of. For example, I just highlighted the word billets. So it's slightly highlighted on the screen right now. So I've read the text and now I know what they are, what billets are. I can insert a text box and I can start typing what the term means or what the word means. I can increase the size of the text box, decrease the size of the text box, or once I go close to the trash can symbol, there are the crosshairs or the two overlapping arrows, and I can move the text box around. This is also another way that you can annotate your text. What I encourage you to do is to go through the different tools, tinker around to see what tools you have available to you. Don't forget that you need to save your progress by clicking on the cloud. I've been prompted that my changes have been saved. Once you're done, you're going to click Done Edit Mode. When you go back to Benchmark Advance and go to Open Up Buyers and Sellers, you're going to have the options of how to select your file. So the Unit 9 Buyers and Sellers, that is the original file. Here's the file that I had already created, Unit 9 Week 1 Annotations. Go ahead and click on the file version that you've already started working with. As you can see, when I go back to page 4 and I click within the margins, I can now see my text. Again, you're highly encouraged to check out the different tools that are available to you. And as always, contact your teacher if you need any additional support.